want to cover a section that's going to be the river, and I'm going to pour use rings to do the wood grain, and then hopefully peel this section off and then have a nice blank spot for the river. We'll see how this goes. I have a leftover piece of vinyl wrap here. You could use anything really, but this is you can peel a layer off and it's sticky, so I can cut it to the shape and stick it down and not have to worry about trying to tape the edge of something and trying to get it round and all that craziness. So I'm just going to lay this here where I'm pretty much going to do it, and just draw. I just don't want it to be perfectly straight, so. The plan is to leave a little bit of brown that's going to be covered by the blue, so it looks like the wood underneath. So I'm going to start all my cups different, so there's some variety. Okay, I'm back. This has had a little time to dry. I didn't have time to come out yesterday, so it's actually been 2 days. But all I wanted was the edges to start drying a bit. And I have my blue. It's a little bit of metallic blue mixed with pour medium, liquitex pour medium. So let's see if this works. All right, let's have a look. I'll have to touch up the end a little bit once it's drier, but this is looking amazing. So I think this will dry a little bit more transparent, but that looks pretty good for paint.